The job description of a data encoder highlights the importance of accuracy, speed, and organization in handling and processing information. Data encoders play a crucial role in businesses and organizations by ensuring that data is correctly recorded, stored, and maintained in digital systems. This role supports various departments, including finance, human resources, sales, logistics, and administration, by turning handwritten or printed information into digital formats for easy retrieval and analysis. Data encoders are often found in industries such as healthcare, retail, education, government agencies, banking, and telecommunications. The information they handle may include customer details, financial records, inventory data, medical records, and other forms of sensitive or business-critical data. The main objective of their work is to maintain data integrity and support decision-making by making information accurate and accessible. In the age of digital transformation, data encoders are more important than ever. Companies rely on clean, accurate databases to run reports, measure performance, communicate with customers, and comply with regulatory requirements. Therefore, data encoders must possess a high level of attention to detail, strong typing skills, and a commitment to maintaining confidentiality. Key responsibilities of a data encoder. The job description of a data encoder involves numerous tasks that require focus, consistency, and familiarity with data entry systems. One of the primary responsibilities is inputting data into computer systems or databases. This can include transferring data from paper documents, application forms, receipts, or audio recordings into designated digital formats. The data must be entered with a high degree of accuracy, as even minor mistakes can lead to operational or financial errors. Another core responsibility is reviewing and verifying data for accuracy and completeness. Before and after data entry, data encoders are expected to double-check their work to ensure that there are no discrepancies, omissions, or errors. They may cross-reference data against source documents and use validation tools to confirm the consistency of their entries. Data encoders may also be responsible for organizing and maintaining electronic files and records. This includes updating existing records, correcting outdated information, and ensuring that data is stored in the correct categories or folders. In some roles, they may also assist in digitizing paper files by scanning and indexing them for electronic storage. Many data encoders are tasked with generating reports based on the data they manage. They may compile summaries, create spreadsheets, or generate performance or inventory reports, depending on the needs of their team or department. This function supports data analysis, business planning, and day-to-day operational efficiency. In addition, data encoders are expected to follow data protection policies and confidentiality standards, especially when handling sensitive information such as medical records, personal identification, or financial data. They must ensure that unauthorized individuals do not access confidential records and that all information is processed in line with company policies and legal regulations. Typical duties include entering data from source documents into computer systems or databases, verifying the accuracy of information before and after data entry, correcting errors or inconsistencies in data entries, managing digital files, folders, and categorized data for easy access, backing up data periodically to prevent loss, scanning and indexing paper documents for digital archiving, creating spreadsheets, forms, and reports based on stored data, collaborating with colleagues to resolve data-related issues, maintaining confidentiality and data integrity, meeting deadlines and productivity targets set by supervisors. Skills and competencies required. A successful data encoder must possess a combination of technical, cognitive, and interpersonal skills. One of the most critical is typing speed and accuracy. Since data encoders may process large volumes of information daily, they must be able to type quickly and precisely without compromising on quality. Many organizations set minimum typing speed standards, typically ranging from 40 to 60 words per minute. Attention to detail is another key requirement. Small mistakes in data can lead to larger issues in reporting, auditing, or customer service. Encoders must be able to detect errors and inconsistencies and correct them proactively. This also involves checking formats, spelling, grammar, and numerical accuracy. Computer literacy is essential for this role. Data encoders must be comfortable using various software programs, including Microsoft Excel, Word, database management systems, and company-specific tools. Some roles may also require knowledge of cloud-based storage platforms, digital scanning software, and content management systems. Good organizational skills are necessary for managing and sorting large amounts of information. Data encoders should be able to file and retrieve records efficiently, name files correctly, and follow systematized procedures. While much of the work is independent, communication skills are still important. Data encoders may need to liaise with other departments to clarify information, report issues, or collaborate on projects. They must be able to convey questions or concerns clearly and professionally, both in writing and in speech. In addition to technical competencies, time management is critical. Data encoders often work with strict deadlines and must be able to manage their workload to ensure that data is entered on time and with consistent accuracy. Work environment and tools. Data encoders typically work in office settings, although some roles allow for remote work. They usually spend long periods in front of a computer, making ergonomics and workspace organization important to their health and productivity. The job may require extended periods of sitting, repetitive hand movements, and eye strain from screen time. The tools used by data encoders vary depending on the industry, but commonly include desktop computers or laptops, dual monitors for enhanced productivity, document scanners, optical character recognition, OCR, software, Microsoft Office Suite, Excel, Word, Access, company-specific ERP or database systems, educational requirements, and career path. Most data encoder positions require a high school diploma or equivalent. However, some employers may prefer candidates who have completed post-secondary education in computer science, office administration, or business-related fields. Certifications in data entry, Microsoft Office proficiency, or administrative assistance can also enhance a candidate's employability. Experience with specific industry software can be a strong asset, particularly in fields such as healthcare, finance, or logistics. With experience, a data encoder can advance to roles such as data analyst, records manager, administrative assistant, office manager. Database administrator. The role of data encoder can serve as an excellent stepping stone for individuals seeking to enter data-driven or administrative careers. Conclusion: the job description of a data encoder underscores a role that is foundational to the organization's information accuracy and workflow efficiency. By entering and managing data with precision, data encoders support operations across various departments and industries, contributing directly to decision-making and record-keeping. For individuals who are detail-oriented, tech-savvy, and organized, a career as a data encoder offers not only stability, but also opportunities for advancement into broader administrative or data-centric roles. As organizations continue to prioritize data quality and digital systems, the demand for skilled data encoders remains strong and relevant.